Hello, my name is Gerbstow, and welcome to a guide on getting inside this assembly line room. Now, fair warning before I show anything else in this room that might be spoiler territory, this is in fact going into this section of the map. As you might see later in the video, you can't get into this normally right now. To my knowledge at least. And inside this area, like down over that way, there is something quite spoilery, I think, for the rest of this story. So, yeah, if you don't want to see any of that, I don't think I'll be showing any of it, but still, if you don't want to be going into an area you can't get in yet, then click off this video. Hopefully I haven't spoiled too much other than the fact that this robotic arm is a lot smaller than what we thought of in the trailer. Anyways, let's move on to the start of the video. Alright, so I'm gonna start the guide here at the main sort of load zone so you can see exactly where we're going. And yeah, just to begin, I'm gonna talk about a few things, sort of housekeeping and all that. So obviously I haven't been making any videos, even though that I've decided to start, and that's just mainly because there haven't been too many glitches that I've personally found and haven't like found later, something like that. So yeah, so this is the first one in a while that I've actually, properly found and all that, so I'm kind of proud of it. So just making our way into Bray Exoscience here. Standard path, nothing too fancy. Another thing is that if you could hear, I got a brand new microphone. I was using just the one on my headset before, and for being the PlayStation Platinum headset, it's got a terrible microphone. So yeah. So we're going up on this spot. You might have seen it from other videos. I know JB3 used this spot to show you something a lot farther ahead in the map, but that's gonna be like up over there, and we're going to be maybe here in the map. So yeah, I'd still say explore this area because it is super cool. And I can't wait to see what they do with it in game, or in the story, or whatever. So, yeah. Alright, I don't know whether or not I've got a super, and I don't want to take my HUD off, so this might be a moment. Oh, I do have it. Nice. Alright, so, like I said before, you can't get into this area yet. That's the sort of, like, lock that prevents you. I don't think you can access it in some way, although I haven't done like 100% of everything in the DLC yet. Yeah, so just make your way on top, and like I said before, this area is super cool. So if you jump around and like get in through the doorway, you can easily get inside the map here. But for the purpose of this video, we're gonna stay out. So just walk across, and there we go. So there's a few cool things that you can see out of the map, like you can watch the ship things there spawn in and like despawn over in that tube. But we're just gonna make our way to the left here. So yeah, I was in here for a good like hour yesterday, just exploring everything there can be in the map. And, I noticed the assembly line there, and I was really sad that you couldn't just walk in, but fortunately, I found a way to get in, so the assembly line's, like, right here. Oh, why is it foggy? Whatever. So if you just make your way down here, there's a nice convenient entrance for us, and I fell down. Amazing. I'm gonna keep that in. Okay, so like I said, there's a nice convenient entrance right here. And because this box is not solid, and neither is the door to the box. So now we're in. And we're where I started the video. So, this area is really cool and at the same time really disappointing because the way they showed these things in the trailer was like they were massive, they were great, and it was like big boxes. Might have been a jumping puzzle, but nope. It's just a small little assembly line. Still pretty cool though. If you walk in here, you can watch the assets spawn in and go across the conveyor belt, and also the it doesn't really work, but nice lighting there too. But I'm kind of surprised that this room is like fully modeled like this because I don't think you can see it from inside the map, and you'll see what oh, actually no, you can. Okay, that kind of explains it, but I'll show you later why I didn't think that it was kind of practical for you to be able to see these things, but also nothing in here is really solid except for the little ring things. But yeah, so this is a nice little area. I think it's weird that Clovis Spray didn't want to, I don't know, be a little bit more space efficient with this, because, you know, massive open space back here, but what am I to say? He's literally in control of everything anyway, so I'm sure he had his purpose, or maybe it's for these, like, robot things. Anyways, if you come over here, you can watch the assets despawn sort of directly into a wall here. That's why I was kind of confused over there why there was a thing in map, but I guess you can see it. But wait, where's all the stuff? Oh, there it is. Okay. That's also weird that it sort of despawns here because that's like in the middle of the doorway. Whatever. So yeah, just a smaller video this time, not a 40-minute tutorial because, you know, don't really need to make one. So yeah, I just thought this was really, really cool. I mean, there's a whole lot of other stuff in here that's pretty neat, like that whole area back there and seeing those go. Like, this place is really cool. And yeah, so thank you for watching. I might be making more uploads, I might not, I don't know. I've tried getting into the Deep Stone Crypt, but since I don't have any sort of net limiting capability, and also I'm on a PlayStation, I don't think I'm going to be doing that, so yeah. Thank you for watching, and goodbye. Pretend that there's a nice outro.